Hi everyone, today I want to show you how you can install Raspberry Pi Desktop virtually on your PC or your Mac. First, what we're going to do is download the Oracle VM VirtualBox software by going to the website virtualbox.org. On the website you press the download button and select your own operating system. In my case that is OS X. Next you open the raspberrypi.org website, go to the download section, go down and open Raspberry Pi Desktop. Here you can download the ISO file. After you've downloaded the ISO file, you're going to start the VirtualBox software and press New. Give your virtual container a name. In this case, we're going to call it Test. Change the type from Windows to Linux and change the version to Debian 64-bit. Press Continue. Put the memory size to 1024, which is the default Raspberry Pi memory size. Press Continue. Create a virtual hard disk now. Create. Continue. Put it on a fixed size and change it to 8 gigs. Press Create. Almost ready. Now we're going to start the container. Now we need to select the ISO file which we downloaded. Press Open and Start. And now our virtual container is running. Let's see if it works. And let me enlarge the screen to make it a little bit more clear. There we go. And there we have Raspberry Pi Desktop running as a virtual container on a Mac. Thank you for watching.